Good morning, students. Again, we are going to discuss another question from exercise 10, trigonometrical ratios, question number 16. So, what it is, if sin theta is equal to a by b, we have to show that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to under root b plus a by b minus a. So, we use again triangle for getting the result. We draw a triangle ABC like this, and it is taken as the right angle triangles. We take here A, it is B, and this one is C. This angle is taking 90 degree and this is taken as angle theta. So we take in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to theta, let and angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. So in this case, if you are taking this angle is theta, so what we get, this is theta, so it is H hypotenuse, it is perpendicular and it will be base. So we take BC as base, AC as perpendicular and AB as hypotenuse. Okay. We have in this triangle sin theta given. In this triangle, first we take sin theta is equal to what? P by H. So we write here AC upon AB, and given sin theta is equal to A by B. It is already given. So we taken as this is first and this one as second. From first and second, from equation first and second, AC upon AB is equal to A by B, and we write here AC upon A is equal to AB upon B, and we take a constant K let. So equate this with K. So what it gives, AC upon A is equal to K. So it will give us AC is equal to AK. AC is equal to AK. And also this one again. So AB upon B is equal to K. It will give us AB is equal to BK. So this is said to be BK. By these calculations, we get this one because we have to get the tan theta and P by B. So B is not given. So we take the help of Pythagoras theorems. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know H square is equal to P square plus B square. So from this, B may be written as H square minus P square. We take this help to getting this BC. So therefore, BC, that is B, may be written as H. H is what? AB. So AB square minus AC square. Or we write here AB is what? BK. So BK to the whole square minus AC, AK. So AK to the whole square. It gives us B square K square minus A square K square. So we take common as K square, it is B square minus A square. So K is the under root B square minus A square. So we write here K under root B square minus A square. Okay. So three sides we have already taken or calculated. Now we go on the question what it gives in sec theta, this one, and RHS is here. So we take now LHS, what it is, sec theta plus tan theta. So sec theta is reciprocal of cos, that is B by H. So we take here H by B. So we must write here bk divided by k under root b square minus a square plus tan theta p by b. So it is ak divided by again k under root b square minus a square, and it gives us LCM. K first you take the cancels. So what it gives? It gives here b divided by under root b square minus a square plus a divided by under root b square minus a square. Take the LCM. What is that? Same is the same thing is here. So we must write here b square minus a square. It is, and it is divided by this, that is k, and it is b square minus a square and b square minus k square under root. So we have 1. So b into 1 plus similarly this one 1. So a into 1. So what it gives? It gives us, we may write here b plus a upon under root b square minus a square. So students, we have to get this one. So it may be written as, here we write b plus a to the whole square, and we may write here b plus a into b minus a. Why it is? It is, if we may write here 2 is there, so we may write here 4. 2 may be written as, so that it will give us 2. So similarly here b plus a, it may be go like this. To getting this result, and it will be what? It will be, that is here b plus a and b plus a. You know here b into under root b, we may write here under root b square like this. So we taking this one, we retain this, and here it is again b plus a into under root b minus a. So these and these cancel. What it gives? It gives us under root b plus a divided by under root b minus a, and if the whole roots of this, so it is b plus a and it gives b minus a. It proved the result. So you must go through this one and again revise it. Thank you.